I'm Anushka Nimbalkar and today I will show you my room tour. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is my window starting, and here is some business items needed. And next, here is my wardrobe. Here is my wardrobe. And here is my foldable table. You can see. On this table I keep my water bottle and dictionary. This is my pen stand. This is the gadget needed for online classes. This is a guitar. No, it's not a guitar. It's a clock. It's a clock. And here is my cloth used to clean my laptop, and here is the headphones, and here is the duster which I used to rub my board. And here is my chair which I use to sit. And here is my bunk bed where I sleep. Here is my dolly sitting. And here is my wardrobe dressing table. Here is the drawer, and here is my toys. Here in this drawer I keep my toys, and in this drawer I keep my clutches, clips, etc. And here is my whiteboard where I do some calculations, and usually you have seen me doing some calculations and seen my background as this. Where I keep my books. Here are my books, and this side I keep my lamp, and these are my craft items. If you like this video, please click on the like button and make the subscribe button gray, and click on the bell icon so you will get my notifications of my videos. Bye.